Get ready for an amazing video. There's something in here for everyone, whether you're looking to spruce up your holiday decor or get some amazing gifts for your friends and family. You're gonna find something in this video. So let's get started with the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Like Me. I am so excited because QVC actually gifted me a few candles this Christmas season to share with you on my channel. And it is just amazing to me because if you know me at all, you know that I am an avid QVC shopper. I love their quality and they are one of my top places to shop, whether it's for the holidays or all year long. So what I'm going to share with you today is a couple of candles. One is Mrs. H, and she is someone who is new to me. I found her this year. She has collaborated with Harry Slatkin, who you know I love from previous videos where I have shared Harry Slatkin's candles. I love them. He is the best. But anyway, he collaborated with Mrs. H, who is Dee Hilfiger, and you know her husband. I'm going to show you this big, beautiful candle in this video. And Harry Slatkin also collaborated or is working with, of all people, Elton John. So, this is a set of candles, a set of 2 candles that you can gift. And there is also a room spray in here. With this Elton John collaboration for the holidays, but there are many candles out there on QVC from the Elton John and Harry Slatkin collaboration and Mrs. H. And there are many, many sales going on right now for these and many other things at QVC. So you do have time if you would like to gift these for someone, or if you're like me, you got them for yourself. And I'm going to show you in this video how you can decorate with these candles and with the room spray, but also if you're going to gift it, I can show you something really quick and easy to make a beautiful gift for someone you love this year. So I'm going to unbox. We're going to see these together for the first time. You're going to love them. All right, so the first one I'm gonna take out is the Mrs. H. It's a huge candle. I can actually smell this candle before I even take it out of the box. But one of the things I wanted to show you, the one I got is the Peppermint bar. And there are many different scents. They are on sale right now. Now is the time to get these beautiful candles. But this, she has a beautiful logo with an H and this beautiful these are octagon shaped candles. This logo is absolutely beautiful. And the candle itself, let's take it out. Oh my goodness, it is so heavy. All right. Oh my goodness. Look at how beautiful this candle is. And it has 4 wicks. When I watched on QVC to see what this candle smelled like and to hear them describe it, Mrs. H herself talked about this having between 70 and 100 hours of burn time. So you will be able to burn this candle all season long and all winter long. It's got some vanilla to it. It's not a real strong peppermint, but you can smell the peppermint. It's holidays and winter all wrapped up in one. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at the size of this thing. It's the size of my whole head practically. I love this candle. So if you gifted this to someone, this would be an amazing gift. All by itself, you would be able to give this as a gift. But I'm gonna show you a little later on in the video how I'm gonna use this in my home decor for the Christmas season. I can dress it up since it's a peppermint scent. I can dress it up with candy canes and red and whites, or for the winter, I can do all my winter whites and really just create an amazing ambiance in my home. This is such an elegant, timeless piece, and the price is just right to have something this kind of, it's almost like old world. It's just absolutely elegant and beautiful. I'm going to tell you what the essential oils are in here. And this is they only use essential oils, so they're safe to burn in your home. And you can burn it for hours. So I'm going to tell you what the scents, the essential oils are in this candle. Crushed candy cane, cream de mint, Belgian white chocolate, and vanilla beans. Oh my goodness. And don't forget that once this candle is burned down, you can clean it out and use it in your home for a candy dish or for some kind of, you know, cotton balls or something in your bathroom. It's just going to be amazing. All right, now the Elton John set, and you can get 2 gifts out of this set. It is 2 candles and 1 room spray, and you definitely can keep the room spray for yourself. And I'm going to show you how to create a little holiday setting in your bathroom. You can put this in a guest bathroom, and if you are entertaining and you are having guests over for the holidays, you can have a candle burning in every room. In your guest bathroom, you can have a seasonal candle going, and these candles are going to smell incredible. They're going to smell realistic and not artificial. And what that scent does is when someone walks into your home, they're going to feel good. They're going to have those feel-good memories that scent brings back to them. So it's super, super important to add scent to your decor. So in this box here, what we have is we have 2 size candles and the room spray. So let me show you the scent that we have. So this is going to have, and this is beautiful already. What a beautiful jar, but also you have the E on the candle with Elton's initials. This is the scent Windsor Garden, which is pine garland, dried orange slices, English lavender, and fir balsam. Oh my goodness. And as I said before, Harry Slatkin is the aficionado in candle scents and in scenting your home with candles. You know, sometimes you burn candles and it just kind of, you get that burnt smell, or you get that smell that you just don't like. It's kind of like waxy. That has happened to me in the past, but not with Harry's candles. And oh my gosh, I wish you could smell this. It smells amazing, amazing. And he has the little E here. I don't know if you can see that on this glass. Again, this is going to burn for 20 to 40 hours. You can burn this for a couple of years. You can do it seasonally and have these candles for a couple of years. But this is going to be, this will make an amazing gift. I'm going to show you how I can gift these candles, and you can have 2 different gifts because there are 2 different sizes here. Here's your small one. But what's nice about this size is that this can go in your guest bathroom. It's not going to be huge. You can put it right on a little, you know, your countertop with your room spray. And let me show you the room spray. Absolutely beautiful, elegant, and it is the scent of this. So if you are doing your little scene in your bathroom, your little decor scene, and your guests are using your bathroom, they can just spray this room spray when they leave, before they leave the room. Oh my goodness, it's just clean and fresh and piney and all those other beautiful scents. I am so excited to use this in my bathroom for the holiday season. Oh my gosh, I am in love. I am in love. And Elton, they did a ton of candles together, and they're all on sale right now. So I'm gonna link some here in this video for you, and you can just go out there and have a ball. Get them while they're on sale. Get some for, I recently just purchased the lavender and shortbread, vanilla shortbread, I think it is, from Elton, the Elton collection. You get 2 candles. I love lavender in my bedroom and in my master bath, so I'm so excited to get those candles. soon, but definitely go out and use the links in the video to just find these candles and sets, and you are going to absolutely love this for the holidays and for all year long. So I want to thank QVC from the bottom of my heart for gifting me these candles for this season. I am going to be putting this big one in a centerpiece for my bar area with the peppermint and the vanilla. It is going to go amazing in my kitchen area, and it is going to make my house smell amazing. So I'm going to show you that at the end of this video of how I put that together, and I will show you the gifts. And all I'm going to do with the gifts is I'm going to take each candle and wrap them in cellophane with a beautiful bow and a gift tag. All right, guys. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. It is my pleasure to bring it to you. Thank you again, QVC, for these amazing gifts. And you know I will be shopping on your site forever. So take care, everybody. Happy holidays. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this video. And if you're going to be going out and getting some of these amazing scents for your home this Christmas season. Take care, everyone. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.